Fire extinguishers are a great tool if you've been properly trained and you know how to use them. I often get asked the question, where exactly are fire extinguishers required by the Indiana Fire Code? The model code text of the Indiana Fire Code has been amended by the state of Indiana, where it used to say that fire extinguishers were required in all occupancies with the exception of certain occupancies that are equipped throughout with an automatic sprinkler system. The Fire Code now says, with the Indiana Amendment, that fire extinguishers are only required in locations outlined in Table 906.1. There's 40 different examples of these locations, one of which being Class K extinguishers will always be required in commercial kitchens. One other important consideration, despite what the Indiana Fire Code says or really doesn't say about fire extinguisher requirements, local ordinances by individual municipalities may require fire extinguishers be installed throughout all occupancies in accordance with NFPA 10, the National Fire Protection Association standard for portable fire extinguishers. So let's just assume that maybe fire extinguishers aren't required in your business, but you think it's a good idea that you have them and your employees have been properly trained to use them. You still must inspect, test, and maintain them in accordance with NFPA 10. The first inspection component is going to be the monthly inspection that's required to be provided for portable fire extinguishers. And this can be done by your employees or facility maintenance personnel with a limited amount of training. The monthly inspection is really very simple. You're simply checking that the fire extinguisher is installed in its proper location. You're checking to verify that the hose is intact, that the lock wire seal and the pull pin are in place, that the pressure gauge is reading in the normal position, and that all of the labeling is legible and understandable. It's also important to heft the fire extinguisher and pick it up just to make sure that it weighs the proper amount, that there's enough agent in there. Most importantly, when you perform this inspection, it must be documented. All fire extinguisher tags have a series of check boxes on the back designed specifically for documenting monthly inspections. You may also choose to come up with your own documentation system internally if you'd like.